open this Fortnite Nerf Blaster.
This Fortnite Nerf Blaster is a Fortnite ARL and it comes with 20 darts and a 10 dart clip.
Can we open it? Can we open it? Please.
Let's get to it.
Yay! There we go, unboxed.
This Fortnite Nerf Blaster comes with sights, a window to unjam it, AA batteries go in here, 10 dart clip, 10 dart clip release, accelerator, and the trigger. Ooh, Mason, I have an idea.
What?
Let's go hit the targets that we made yesterday.
Oh yeah, yesterday.
Let's go. The targets are made out of construction boards and bottles. This is powerful. I rate this a 5 out of 5. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!